I'm going to read English newspaper. Kejriwal proposes joint housing scheme for government employees. Kejriwal writes to PM Modi to approve a joint housing scheme. AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal said on Sunday that he has returned to Prime Minister Narendra Modi proposing a joint housing scheme for government employees, particularly sanitation workers in Delhi, which will vote in the assembly election on February 5. Kejriwal told a press conference here he has urged the Prime Minister to provide land on highly subsidized rates to the Delhi government where it can build houses for the employees who can pay easy installments during the last phase of their service periods, highlighting the hardship faced by government employees, especially Safai Karmcharis post retirement. Kejriwal said he proposed the joint housing scheme to ensure they lived comfortably and with dignity. The proposed scheme can be piloted with employees of the Municipal Corporation of Delhi and New Delhi Municipal Council before being extended to all government employees across Delhi. Kejriwal said the AAP Supremo is contesting the February 5 assembly polls from New Delhi constituency, which is under the jurisdiction of civics body NDMC. After returning to power, the AAP will construct affordable housing units on the land to be provided by the center because the Delhi government does not own land as such in the national capital. He said housing is a major problem in Delhi, particularly for the poor. Owning a house or renting one is almost impossible. Kejriwal said their pensions are not sufficient to afford rented housing, nor do they have enough savings to buy a house for themselves. He said, I have seen many Safai Karmcharis who, after retirement, are forced to live in slums. Kejriwal said that he has requested the Prime Minister to initiate this scheme. It can begin with the Safai Karamcharis of NDMC and MCD who can avail the benefit by paying easy installments during last phase of their service periods. He said the UP governor expressed hope that the Prime Minister and the central government would agree to this scheme as it is meant for the welfare of the poor. Initially, Safai Karamcharis can benefit from it and later it can be extended to other government employees. This is entirely a welfare oriented scheme. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you.